All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here. I am so excited about this unboxing. One of my viewers reached out to me like a couple weeks ago and told me about these watches that they were going to be available. I went right over to Amazon and ordered them, and they were supposed to be there in like 3 days, but then of course everything went haywire, and I got a notification that they were going to be late, and they said really late, but they actually came fairly soon after I got that notification. So we're going to unbox this. I've got Combat Jesus and the little trailer park homies there watching on the side, but all right, guys, here we go. So excited to check these out because for a couple different reasons. This watch or these watches, this style is like probably one of my favorite and one of the most popular Casio watches out there, and those are from the MDV 106 series. Now, if you guys see, these have different numbers on them, each of them here, because these are the new two colorways, the different colorways they've just come out with. So I'm not sure if anyone else has posted videos of these. I'm really excited too. So let's go ahead. Now, I'm not doing a full review of the watches because you guys have actually seen these before, or at least this watch before. So I'm not sure. Which one do I want to do first, the G or the B? Okay, I'm going to do this one because I think everyone's more excited about this particular colorway than they are about the other one. I'm so excited about both of them. So, guys, I'm trying to contain myself, but these are such cool watches. Throw the box down there to the side, and we're going to pull that off, guys. And it's the Casio MDV 106, guys, but this is the new blue model. Check that out, guys. This is the blue dial variation here. And let's go ahead and get the sticker off it so you guys can get the full effect. You guys get to watch the sticker come off. There it is. Beautiful, beautiful watch. We always love the Casio MDV 106. And just taking a quick glance at it, guys, check out that second hand. Bang on, man. It's hitting the indices perfectly, as all my other Casio MDVs do. Nice, tight bezel on this watch. Man, I just can't wait to play with this. Get this on some NATO straps, get some wrist shots up on Instagram. So really cool, guys. These things, they have them at Amazon. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can get them. I think the blue one is running right around $55 or $56. So still in that really great price range for a budget 200-meter diver's watch. The new blue model of the MDV 106, what is this, just the B? Yeah, 106B. So that's for the blue. And okay, guys, so we're gonna set that one down. And I'm actually a little bit more excited about this one. Blue is one of my favorite colors, but this one is freaking awesome. So I'm really excited about this. Let's go ahead and get it out. Set the box to the side there. And this is the Guild model. And man, check this out, guys. And again, looks like the second hand is pretty good. This one doesn't look like it's as good as the blue model as far as the second hand hitting right on. But let me get the sticker off. I know it's painful. So got it off of there. And wow, nice looking watch. So very happy with both of these new CASIO Duro models. They've finally showed up, guys. They've been delivered. They're out there. They are available. So now it's just not the black one that you guys are going to get. You guys can get into these ones also. Super cool looking watches. Really love these. So guys, links down below in the description. I'm not going to do a full review of these. You know, you guys probably know most you need to know about these. It's a 44mm case from side to side. Comes in right around 12 thick. You've got around 50, 51 lug to lug, 22mm lug opening. Running a, I do believe we found out a long time ago, these are like a Miyota quartz movement. So simple, clean, easy, good movement. 200 meters of water resistance with these watches. Totally get it done watch. And now they have three colorways, three variations of the Casio MDV 106. You know what we're going to do? We can't go out with just that. We got to go do a wrist shot, right? We're going to do a wrist shot, and we're going to do a loom shot. Since these aren't a full review, we'll go ahead and just get them on the wrist and see what they look like here. So do that off there. So you guys can look at that, that beautiful gold Guild model there while I put the blue one on my wrist. I have a 7-inch wrist for reference sake. If you guys are wondering my wrist size, when you see the size of this 44mm on my wrist, 7-inch wrist. I do have it probably one notch too tight there. It feels a little snug on the wrist, but very comfortable watch, especially at the thickness, or I should say thinness overall of that case, and sits just right on the wrist. Always a favorite, the Casio Marlin, the Duro, the MDV 106. That's the B, so go ahead and take that off real quick. And set that down here, and you guys can take a look-see at that while I actually get the gold model on my wrist. I'm really excited about this gold one. I think it's neat. I'm probably going to be getting these over to the Marshall Time channel. They'll probably make the rounds out there. I think Scott at Watches Galore will end up taking a look at these watches also on his channel. Got to share the love of these Casio MDVs. So there it is, guys. The black and gold model. I think this is my favorite of the two. I really love that contrast in the gold. It just looks really, really nice. So guys, both of these watches are now available on Amazon. Like I said, down below, I am going to leave a link where you guys can pick yours up. Now, the shipping seems to be a little out there. They're broadcasting like, 6 weeks out and whatnot, but I think you can probably get these quicker than that. But definitely follow the links down below in the description if you're interested in picking up one of the new Casio Duros, the Marlins, the MDV 106, the blue, and the new gold gild model. Awesome watches, guys. If you like the video, give me a thumb. Oh, wait, do we want to do a loom shot? We should do a loom shot. Definitely do a loom shot of these watches. Let's do that real quick here. Let me pause it and dim the lights for you guys. So these watches in the Marlin series have always had pretty decent loom. It's not completely black in here or dark, but this will give you a good idea of how the loom on these watches works. And it's going to work for a few hours. This definitely doesn't, at least for me, last all night long, but you can see there the watches definitely have loom on the hands. $50 watches, $50, $60 watches, this is what you're going to get for the loom. But it definitely works, and it's useful, and it'll get the job done. So, all right, guys, that's it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the UFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.